Hi there. My name is Sachin Namburi, and in today's video, we're going to see a Hacker News reporter. Now, Hacker News, if some of you don't know, then it is a website, a trusted website for cybersecurity news. All right. So this agent, obviously, we do have multi agents here doing whatever task been assigned to them. And so this could become very handy for somebody in cybersecurity space to just quickly skim through what's been happening. Every time you fire this multi-agent setup would have and complete autonomy of going into the website, especially Hacker News, and then get the most pivot in the breaking news, and then it's going to elaborate on that and then provide sources and whatnot. So we're going to see that for the best interest because obviously when you fire uh, these multi agents, they do take some time. So in best interest of everybody, I have just already fired it up, and I do have the results that I will be discussing with you or showing you in a moment. But before that, if you see that we have one agent, and the job of that agent is to just get the top stories from Hacker News, and there is another one which is going to be tasked to write an engaging report on the top stories from Hacker News. Now, it is not just that; it has been also given instructions, such as you will be provided with top stories of their line and their links. Carefully read each article and think about the content, and then generate a final New York Times worthy article. All right. So it's been given some standard, right? It's given some benchmark that it has to meet. Uh, and then break the article into sections and provide key takeaways at the end. Make sure the title is catchy and engaging, like we see all the time, right? The hooks that gets people attention and the eyeballs on the articles with the catchy titles all the time. So it's been tasked with the same sort of instructions here. Share score, title, URL, and summary of every article. Right. So it's very important to have a traceability in terms of source of truth. Um, Give the section relevant titles and provide details, facts, processes in each section. Ignore articles that you cannot read or understand. And do remember, you're writing for the New York Times, so the quality of the article is important. So something like this has been given, and then obviously we do have the code here that does the rest of the stuff. So I will quickly show you the Hacker News reporter. Whatever you want to name it right now, but for now it's a Hacker News reporter. All right. Okay, so it's got the work in reading each story and writing a report, and it also displayed the error reading article from Science Daily and Science Daily basically. So right, so you see this. This has done the entire job. The response time has been just 48.6 seconds. Okay, 48.6 seconds is nothing, right? When your reporter is tasked to write, of the same quality or level of as it is reporting for New York Times. Uh, right. So, see uh, the title, From Chimps to ChatGPT, the week's fascinating tech and cultural insights. Kodo, a new player in the programming arena. So it just gives us the score as well, like based on, and then the summary in the ever evolving world of programming. Koto, not Keto. Keto is a diet. I don't know why I keep saying that. Koto emerges as a promising language aimed to bridge gaps and provide a fresh approach to coding. And then it's diving into the Koto. It's talking more about it. and then building efficiently the physical Pomodoro. So now it has gone to the second one. It has given the score of some sort here, and then building efficiently the physical Pomodoro timer. So summary, explore the innovation behind a physical Pomodoro timer using ESP32 and ePaper screens, perfect for do-it-yourself enthusiasts and productivity hackers. So something on those projects, the DIY projects for Pomodoro timer. So that's pretty good. Then we have some news on ChatGPT's AI and Nick Cave, a creative clash. Uh, so that's interesting. So we have, musician Nick Cave critics AI produced poetry, sparking conversation around authenticity and creativity in an AI-driven world. So this is what been discussed, and we've got, this is primarily his thoughts around it, and then the another one would is simplifying development, the plain web framework. So Plain is a web framework designed to streamline product development with Python, catching the eyes of developers worldwide. So this is quickly coming up. I've also heard about it a couple of times. So yeah, Plain. Right, and then it is also exploring the framework a little bit and talking about it. So yeah, and it's giving us the key takeaways of innovation and productivity. This week's stories highlights how innovative solutions like the promoter timer, then yeah. So it's just we'll have to probably fine tune the program a little bit, but then it does the job, right? I mean, it just tells you exactly what it is, and so we do see there is a reputation, so we'll have to fix it. But then, yeah, it does the job. It's telling about AI's growing pains. This is about the musician Nick Cave's critics, comments on AI's creative works. And then we do have development made easy. So the plain frameworks approach to simplify Python development. So as this story show, innovation is thriving across the realms of technology and culture. What discussions about their impact only just beginning. How interesting is it is. I mean, obviously, for except for these stuff, but then you see, so look at the power. I mean, it totally depends how you want to harness it. How, in one of the videos I've said this, and I'll say this again. I kind of like that line. So it depends really, like um, you know, uh, uh, how you can marry the technological capability that AI has with your creativity, with the use case that you have in your head, and how you want it. And then basically the autonomy part of it also is something that you might want to think about when you uh, go for agentic AI, or the complete automation of the workflow, for very intelligent automation. So yeah, these are the things. But yeah, coming back to this is pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think about it, and if there is any use case that you think will resonate with what we are looking at right now, then yeah, do let me know. So yeah, so that brings us to the end of this video. So until we meet next, take good care of yourself.